Nuclear reactions. Nuclear reactions are transformation in atomic nuclei brought about by their interaction with elementary particles with one another. According to Bohr's idea, the general scheme of a nuclear reaction is cap A plus cap B tends to C tends to cap P plus cap O. Here cap A is target nucleus, cap B is a projectile, cap C is a compound nucleus, cap P is the residual product of nucleus, and cap O is an outgoing particle. Now rules to writing a nuclear reactions. For writing the nuclear reaction, we have to follow the following rules. First, the sum of the mass number of initial particles should be equal to that of the mass number of product particles. Second rules, the sum of the atomic numbers of initial particles should be equal to that of the atomic number of product particles. And rule third, in all nuclear reactions, the total sum of mass and energy is conserved. Now, the particle which would be used in the nuclear reactions are discussed here with their symbols. Name of particles alpha and its symbol is He sub 2 sub 4. Name of particle is beta or electron. Its symbol is beta sub minus or E sub 1 sub 0. Name of particles positron. Its symbol is plus E sub 1 sub 0 or beta sub plus. Next particles gamma. Its symbol is gamma sub 0 sub 0 or simply gamma. Next particle is proton. Its symbol is H sub 1 sub 1 or simply P. Next particle is neutron. Its symbol is N sub 0 sub 1 or simply N. Next particle is deuteron. Its symbol is H sub 1 sub 2 or D sub 1 sub 2 or simply a small d. Now rules to balance a nuclear reaction. The sum of superscript, that is mass number, written or implied must also be the same on the two sides of equation. Thus, the equation for the primary radioactivity of a Ra sub 88 sub 226 is Ra sub 88 226 tends to Rn sub 86 222 plus He sub 2 sub 4. Many nuclear processes may be indicated by a shorthand notation. The symbol N, P, D, alpha, beta, sub minus, beta, sub plus, gamma are used to represent neutron, proton, deuteron, alpha, electron, positron and gamma rays, respectively. The atomic numbers are commonly omitted because the symbol for any element implies its atomic numbers. So here is the examples of the corresponding long and shorthand notations for several reactions. First, N sub 7 sub 14 plus H sub 1 sub 1 tends to C sub 6 sub 11 plus He sub 2 sub 4 or sub 14N open braces P comma alpha close braces sub 11C. This is shorthand for. Next example, Al sub 13 sub 27 plus N sub 0 sub 1 tends to Mg sub 12 sup 27 plus H sub 1 sup 1, and its shorthand notation is sup 27 aluminum or Al open braces N comma P close braces sup 27 mg. Next example, Mn sub 25 sup 55 plus H sub 1 sup 2 tends to Fe sub 26 sup 55 plus 2 into N sub 0 sup 1, and shorthand notation sup 55 Mn open braces D comma 2N close braces sup 55 Fe.